Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today is the first part in our Christmas craft series and we're going to kick it off by embroidering some super cute hand towels. I'll have everything I use listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and make sure that bell notification is on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials. So to start out, I'm going to take my sticky stabilizer paper and just attach it to my fast frame. And I just lay my frame on it and cut it to shape, but I like to leave a little extra so it can kind of overlap a little bit. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to go, but that's just how I like to do it. So I'm using this fast frame because my embroidery project is like a little too big for my smallest hoop, but not big enough for the next hoop up, right? So fast frames are like super amazing because they can allow you to do like projects that are in between like hoop sizes. And there's like a variety of sizes where you can do pockets, socks, where you can just do a lot more. I mean, you can already do a lot of projects with your embroidery machine, but these just allow you to do even more. And so even though the stabilizer is sticky, I just like to spray a little Craft Bond adhesive spray on it just to make sure. So this is the fast frame and this is how you just attach it onto there. Now there's like two little notches right there. You want to press those down and they kind of make a clicking sound and you turn this knob to tighten it. And that is how you make sure that it's secure, okay? So you want to tighten it really, really good, but not so good that you're struggling when it's time to take it off. Ask me how I know. And so you just slide the frame right onto the existing arms already on your EM1010 embroidery machine or whichever Ricoma embroidery machine you have. Then I just like to go ahead and lay my towel down. Now you could put it down now or you could put it down before. It doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to show you guys, how it worked. So I like to go and attach like these sewing clips to the edge. And this just allows me to be able to see the border when I'm tracing my design so our needle doesn't hit it. And of course, our design came with this production worksheet. And this just tells us what order the design is going to stitch out so that we can enter our thread colors in correctly. So once we go ahead and upload the design into the machine, to actually use the fast frame hoop, you're going to hit design set and you're going to hit other, you're going to hit your hooping button and then you would hit other. Okay. And I need to flip my design around, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that right there. You're going to hit OK. The machine is going to make some adjustments. You're going to hit escape to back out of the screen. Go ahead and start on needle number 1 because, that's like my tracing needle. Enter our colors, and we're all set to go. All right. So once everything is set, of course, we're going to go ahead and enter our embroidery mode. And then we'll hit this regular trace button. And when you're using your other size hoop, as you see, my design is not on the screen like it would be in my other hoops. So to get it back on the screen and to get an accurate idea of where your design will be, you're going to hit that button that has like that little heart in the frame, okay? And that just helps you with the tracing because it's going to trace out basically exactly where your design would be. And this is when the clips come in handy because when I'm tracing, it allows me to know if I need to make any adjustments to the screen so that my needle isn't hitting the edges. And this sometimes takes a couple tries. So once I have everything set, I'm going to go ahead and put some water-soluble topping on top of my kitchen towel just because this towel is a little bit fuzzy. And when your material is fuzzy, it sometimes overtakes your thread. So to make sure that my thread is like sitting on top of the towel and not being sunk in, that's where the water-soluble comes in. Now because this doesn't have as much stability as like my regular hoops, I did take the speed down to about 600. This is like a 20,000 stitch project. So if I was running it at regular speed, like 1,000 stitches a minute, it would take about 20 minutes. But because we're going to go a whole lot slower, it did take a while, but I'm not really sure how long because I was doing other things as I was working on this project. So hopefully you're watching this video during Ricoma's Black November sale, where they're having a huge sale on their embroidery machines from October 28th to November 12th. They're offering financing as low as $125 a month, free shipping, and depending on which machine you get, you'll either get their free Chroma Lux or Chroma Inspire digitizing software. And if you're watching this after November 8th, 2022, that is fine, because they're running different variations of the sale all throughout the month of November. And I'll, of course, have my affiliate link in the description box. That'll get you in touch with a Ricoma representative so you can learn about which sale is going on at the time that you view this video and what other deals you can get. Okay, so our project is stitching out really, really good, and y'all, digitizing is so, I didn't digitize this, I purchased this. My digitizing skills are not this good yet. Okay, all I can do is the basics. So once everything is all stitched out, we're just going to go ahead and remove the water soluble topping, clean up any tails or loose threads that we may have had, because I did run out of bobbin during this project. Remove the clips and remove the backing, and y'all, this project is like so simple, but it is super cute. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know, are you guys decorating yet? Is it too soon? Like, let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.